Today, we're making homemade pasta. It's super simple and easy to make. You're gonna need 6 teaspoons of water, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 egg yolks, and 3 large eggs. I'm gonna put my all-purpose flour and my salt in my stand mixer bowl and whisk together the egg yolks and the eggs. Set that aside, and I'm going to go ahead and mix the all-purpose flour and the salt, and then slowly add in my eggs first and then my egg yolks. I'm gonna let that mix for about 2 minutes and then slowly start adding my water. Try to add in 1 teaspoon at a time. Once the dough is done, I'm going to go ahead and work it into a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap, and set it aside for about an hour. Once the dough had a chance to rest, I'm going to go ahead and just divide it into 4 and get it ready to go through the pasta roller. I have also done this by hand when I didn't have a pasta roller. You just use a rolling pin, roll it out as thin as you can, and use a pizza cutter to cut them as straight as you can. The pasta roller has different settings. I'm starting with 1 and I'm going to make my way to 4. The thinnest I'm going to go is about a 4. You do have to roll it out twice for each setting. It is nice to fold in the flap. If you notice, the very edge gets very pointy. You can fold it and send it through twice so that you have a nice and squared off edge. I'm also using a pasta cutter. You can do this by hand, simply with a cutting board and a pizza cutter, but since I have the pasta cutter, I'm going to go ahead and use that. Once the pasta is cut, I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. I actually let it sit for about an hour and a half. Cooking this pasta is like cooking any other pasta that you've made before. You'll just need to boil water and use a generous amount of salt. This pasta is really great because it only needs a few minutes to cook. I let it cook for about 3 minutes and it was done. It was delicious, it's fast, and it's the best pasta you'll ever eat. I have used these noodles for chow mein and spaghetti. You can't go wrong. You're going to love it.